Alright guys, this is a quick video on my 2001 Mustang GT. Common problem is after installing a BBK off-road X-pipe, a lot of people experience a major exhaust leak coming from the passenger side where the original manifolds connect to the off-road X-pipe. So what you gotta actually do is, the original manifolds actually have these two rubber, all these little circle things right around the bolts. What you got to do is on the X-pipe flange itself, drill those holes wider so that when you slide the X-pipe onto those bolts, you'll see there's this circular gap that prevents the X-pipe and the manifolds from sitting tight with each other. So after you widen those holes on the X-pipe itself, your X-pipe and your manifold will sit nice and snug and the exhaust leak will be gone. Alright guys, to give you guys a visual representation, these two holes need to enlarge them by about 1/4 inch, and your X-pipe will fit much better and the exhaust leak will be gone.